Hello, this is Betsy Barefoot, and I want to suggest some reasons that your campus might consider focusing on the way you facilitate the transition for incoming transfer students. If your campus is one of the majority of four-year institutions where transfers represent a significant proportion of new students, we believe participating in the Foundations of Excellence transfer-focused self-study will be a valuable use of your time and resources. To attach a figure to the transfer phenomenon, and it truly is a phenomenon, the U.S. Department of Education recently reported that 62% of American college students attend more than one institution on their path to a baccalaureate degree. What that means is that in the U.S., transfer is now normative, not the exception. As you know, many state legislatures and coordinating boards think that it's good fiscal policy to actually encourage students to begin at a two-year college and then transfer. And whether you agree or disagree with that policy, the reality is that for many students, that pathway is their only option. We have learned in working in the Foundations of Excellence process that transfer students are extremely diverse. They represent all ages and all socioeconomic levels. While some transfer vertically, others move laterally from one four-year institution to another, and some swirl, moving back and forth between institutions. We've also learned that they are often invisible, and because some of them fear bias or negative assumptions, they may want to be invisible. Sometimes there are assumptions that transfers, whoever they are, will not perform as well academically as native students. But those assumptions don't necessarily represent reality. We do know that transfers are very concerned about their courses and whether those courses will transfer not just to the institution, but to the department where they plan to earn a degree. We've also learned that communication and collaboration between faculty at sending and receiving institutions is often far from ideal. This can result in a misalignment of curricula that then becomes a barrier to student success. So why should you consider a self-study and planning process focused on the transfer experience? If your institution wants to do a better job at assuring that all new students, including transfers, are given an opportunity to succeed, and if your institution wants to help meet President Obama's goal for baccalaureate degree attainment for a larger number of American citizens, we encourage you to join a Foundations of Excellence cohort group to focus on collegiate transfer.